Hey YouTubers, been gone for a while from making videos. Sometimes I don't find the time to do it, so apologize about that. But I come to show you guys. Um, I call Titan because I do have I got a few Titan sprayers. This one here is a 660 EX. Down right there is a 440 XC that I just purchased for $150 off eBay. And I also have one in my garage. This is a 440 Epic, and I do have a couple of gas sprayers as well. But I called Titan to see if any of these machines, like the 440 XE or the all the other Epics, were compatible to the 660 EX, because this is the one that I really want to fix, because well, it's the most powerful one that I have for airless, for electric, so it comes in handy. So I went and purchased that 440 XC, even though they told me they wasn't compatible. And I just want to show you guys that I've taken them apart, and I can tell you that they can actually be used. The XC can actually be used in the 660 and vice versa. And the good thing about the 440 is that it has the new these things are not just falling apart. I mean, I already took them down, they're just loose, but I want to show you the difference. The 660 EX has this setting here. You have this here, like so, and then of course you have the pump, I mean the fluid hose. But the problem with this one is that somehow this got damaged. This housing here got damaged. I don't know if you can see it right there. And when that got damaged, well, there's air coming through, so it loses pressure. So you don't want that. And well, good luck finding this. They're obsolete. So I do have a 440 Epic that has the same housing. So yeah, they're interchangeable. I can use it on this one if I want to. But I really like this one here, the 440 XC I have, because this one has the ball-in cage. See, the 660, it doesn't have the ball-in cage. It's like a little flat plate, and that flat plate gets stuck all the time compared to the ball-in cage valve, which is right there. So this one was just dirty, it was just corroded in there. So all I did is, I took it apart, cleaned it up, and for $150 I got a working sprayer. Now, almost lost the phone there. So what I want to show you guys is that how can you get that 440 XC to work in the 660 Epic. So everything's the same. I mean, these bolts here that hold the whole fluid pump, same size as the one in the 440. Everything's the same. I mean, the piston is the same. The only difference is that, see, this one over here has this, because it has a small filter, compared to this one, which has a full-size manifold. So, but if you look behind this one here, it has the same hole. It has the same hole as this one, as you can see. So the only thing you have to do basically is is remove this hose from this one. Okay, now you can see they're the same. Okay, of course this one comes apart. This here is 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. This one is a whole piece, because like I said, it has it has the ball cage here. So what do you do to make this one, or this one per se, to work in this machine? Well, what you do is remove this bolt, remove this here, put it on this one, connect everything back up. Oops. Connect everything back up. Okay. Pull these holes back here. Alright, I'm not gonna do it right now, but I just want to show you guys that that's basically all you have to do. I mean, they're interchangeable. I called Titan, they told me they weren't. Titan says no, they're not. They can't use that part from that machine, unfortunately. There's other machines that, yes, they are, compatible, but they said no, it's not compatible. You can't use it. Well, I took a chance and took everything apart, and well, guess what? They're compatible. Everything works fine. So, and I'm telling you, it works fine because I already ran it. I ran everything with the, so I know it's compatible. Everything's good. So you guys, if you guys do run into this problem, hey, now you know that you can actually use these parts. I mean, these machines are old. I mean, the 440 XC and the 660, Epic, they're old machines, but man, I'm telling you, these machines, they run strong. Their motors are strong. So I would hate to, to leave one broken down and not be able to use it. So just passing the word, maybe you guys can, run into this problem. I mean, because the XC has that new, that new ball cage that you can actually find pretty easily now. It has also the quick release, fluid hose. You just snap this here and put a little clip and you're good to go. I mean, you don't have to do any threading. So if you guys do run into that problem, I mean, hell, these machines, you can find them for pretty cheap. And I mean, a new machine is not cheap. $800 for a 440. And sad to say, those machines don't even last as long as these ones do. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helps somebody out there. All right, thank you guys.